They fought vehemently to protect their vast territories from encroachment by other expanding groups and resisted the Dutch, Prussians, and Portuguese. Robert T. Hill of the United States Geological Survey observed that Jamaican blacks, referred to as native blacks or true peasantry, were unique and unlike any other group of their race, even within the West Indies. He described their omnipresence, cheerfulness, and rich folklore, highlighting their dominance in various aspects of Jamaican life, especially on market days. Similarly, another writer, after spending 5 years in Jamaica, noted a distinct difference between Jamaican blacks and other Negro types. W. J. Gardner, in his History of Jamaica, emphasized the diversity of African tribes brought as slaves to Jamaica, particularly